Brownies origin Uni-State. The brownie was developed in the Uni-State at the end of the 19th century and popularized during the first half of the 20th century. A chocolate brownie or simply. A brownie is a chocolate baked confection. They may also include nut, frosting, creamy cheese, chocolate chips and other ingredients. A variation made with brown sugar and vanilla rather than chocolate in the batter it's called a bland brownie and blandy. They are typically eaten by hand, often accompanied by milk served warm with ice cream and etc. In North America, there are common homemade treats and they are also popular in restaurants and coffee houses. If you want any other food history, please comment and subscribe it.